this wiring harness has to be replaced. It's over $2,000. It goes everywhere. Goes through the firewall. Dash is going to have to come out. Steering column's probably going to have to come out. All for the wiring harness. Not going to be fun. But Jason's good. Oh, Jason, buddy, better you than me. Where does it stop? Kicking some tail. Anybody want a used $2,800 wiring harness? Replacement headlight. It's going to be about just under $2,000 for one headlight, I think. And here's that Lexus. Get this banged out today. And here's our Lexus all sprayed. I did a clear melt here and same place on the other side. This, believe it or not, was an aftermarket bumper. Got some dust on it I might want to take out. I've got some dust on the hood, nothing major. Get this stuff out before it dries. Get this untaped and outside, see how it looks. So the Lexus is looking good. The blends came out good. I used the bluer variant, which seems to have done the trick. Definitely going to need a couple hours of cutting and buffing. There was some chips up here that are not related, but I'm going to smooth those out. It's not too bad, but there's more dust in it than I would have liked. Anytime I have a bumper in a couple of stands plus the car, I'm spraying into the corners of the booth, and the dust stirs it up everywhere. And plus it's waterborne. This stuff sits wet longer. But yeah, just a couple hours of cutting and buffing. Who was I telling? I think Just Hog in one of the trade shows. I met Charlie Hutton, who at the time painted for Chip Booth. He's like, I don't care how good your equipment is, I don't care how good the spray gun is, you still got to cut and buff. He's right. But so that's 2 new wheels, 2 new tires, upper rail got replaced, whole new wiring harness. Jason did a heck of a job on this. He had the whole dash out to get the wiring harness replaced. About an $18,000 job so far. So this car still had some value if that didn't total it. Battery got replaced. All this is new. All this structure in here. New hood. It's one of those cars where the headlights are about $2,000 a piece. All right. All ready to get cleaned. Came out nice.